Alright, today we're going to take a look at the free lookup table Filmmaker, and we're going to use Photoshop for the demo here. So let's go down to Adjustments and Color Lookup. We're going to load our 3D LUT, and I've got it on the desktop here, so there we go. There's before and there's after. And if you guys are looking for film emulation LUTs, we've got them right here, so let's take a look. I've loaded them into Photoshop. Let's try Fuji Velvia. And there we go. Before, after. So if you want to download the free LUT Filmmaker, go to presetpro.com, go to free, and go down to LUTs. And here we have new, so you can check it out there. And if you're looking for the complete film emulation collection, go up to the top menu here, LUTs. And here we have the film emulation collection. So if you want to be notified when we release a new LUT, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button. Thanks for watching.